Hi, my name's Jason Hawkins with Opening Bell Trade. I want to thank you for spending part of your day with us to learn a little bit more about Opening Bell Trade. I'm going to cover a number of topics today. I'm going to tell you a little bit about us, give you plenty of details about our strategy, some of the highlights. We'll look at some sample trades. We'll also review historical performance reports, and then we'll talk about the different types of subscription packages that are available and how you can get set up and signed up, and then also how you can get in contact with us at the end of this presentation if you were to have additional questions. A little bit about us. Our goal as a company is to empower people to make money trading the markets and achieve greater returns on their money. Our strategy is the complete package. It equips you with everything that you need to be successful as a trader. Our strategy is fully automated and doesn't require that you sit in front of a computer. Our strategy will trade for you while you're working, while you're spending time with your family, or enjoying your favorite activities. Our strategy is supported and powered by TradeStation securities. So if you do not have a TradeStation account, you can easily open one at tradestation.com. Our strategy subscription service, and you pay as you go. You pick the subscription that is best suited for your individual needs. Our strategy is a complete trade plan where we're able to provide also recommended strategy settings that work. Getting started is pretty easy. It requires that you have a TradeStation account, and you also, when you sign up for your subscription, will need to have your TradeStation customer ID available. A little bit about the strategy itself and what you should expect on a daily basis. You should expect to trade one trade per day per symbol where your strategy is applied. The strategy is looking to capitalize on large intraday moves. Typically, you will enter your position in the first 10 to 15 minutes after the market has opened at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. The first few minutes the market is open is key, and we allow those first few minutes to set our bias for the entire trading day. Losing trades typically occur in the first 30 minutes. Winning trades may take a couple of hours or even the entire trading day to develop. Our strategy is fully capable of doing all the work for you. It removes the emotions of fear and greed that causes most traders to fail, and it forces the discipline by having a defined trade plan with auto execution. With our strategy, you never have to hit a button or click your mouse. We never hold a position overnight. This helps to avoid catastrophic losses that can be caused by market gaps. You are not required to have any trading experience. The strategy is available and can be used by traders of all levels. It's simple to use and easy to set up. Some of the other highlights of our strategy is the strategy is, again, it's a complete package and it will automatically execute everything for you. You can buy long and sell short with this strategy. You can trade any symbol. You can trade multiple symbols at one time. You can trade as many shares as you'd like. And the entry points are clearly defined every day. There are several filters that are available with the strategy. One of them is the moving average entry filter. This keeps you from trading against the trend. We also have moving average trailing stops, dollar and percentage stops, and then both dollar and percentage target parameters in place. We can also specify the specific trade time parameters, and again, there's an end of day exit that will flatten your positions as the market is closing around 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The recommended strategy settings are available. These strategy settings are settings that are currently being used by other traders. We do have historical performance data that's provided by TradeStation Securities that allows you to look at how the strategy has performed on that particular symbol with those particular strategy settings over the prior 6-month period or 120 trades. When you get going with the strategy, TradeStation does also provide you with a simulated trading account. This allows you to run our strategy in a simulated environment before you ever put your first dollar at risk. We'll give you complete hand-holding from start to finish. We'll provide ongoing support and coaching to help you succeed. TradeStation has been generous enough to offer some promotional discounts so that when you open an account as an opening bell trade customer, you can essentially recover your first year of strategy subscription cost in rebate commissions from TradeStation. So that's a pretty exciting offer that they've been so kind to put together for us. And then also, last but not least, your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed. Each one of our subscriptions comes with a free trial period. And if for whatever reason you're not pleased with our strategy, or if you just decide it's not a good fit for you and what you're trying to do, then you can cancel your subscription at any time during that trial period. Here's a sample chart of Netflix. This is a 5-minute chart. This was actually a losing trade. The left-hand side of the chart here represents the opening of the market. That's roughly 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. As you can see, in looking at the chart here, we entered our trade around 9:35, 9:40. We had a tight stop of on Netflix, roughly $1, and we were actually out of this trade for a loss around 10 or so on this particular morning. This was a long trade. We entered at 329.14. We exited at 327.83. We traded 100 shares and lost $131. One of the things that we like to do is to run tight stops. As you can see, Netflix had a pretty bearish bias for the remaining of the day after that initial first 30-minute stretch here where it traded higher. And as you can see, had we not been disciplined in running a tight stop, we could have lost substantially more money throughout the trading day had we held on to that position. Here's another sample trade. This is a 5-minute chart of Apple. And again, the left side of the chart represents the market open at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. This particular trade was a short play. We entered a short position on Apple around 9:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We did exit this trade around 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and were able to book some profit. Our entry point was 525.67. The exit was 515.99. The share size was 100, and the P&L for that particular trade was $968. As you'll notice, the winning trades are much greater than the losing trades. In the last example, we lost roughly $130, and on this winning trade, we were able to book profit in the area of $960 or so. But those are just a couple of sample trades and what you can expect when you're trading the strategy. As mentioned on the previous slides, the strategy is set up to both buy long and sell short, and this was just an example of both a long and a short, and both a winner and a loser. This is a matrix of some symbols that are actively traded and tracked by opening bell trade. This provides the historical performance numbers for each of the above mentioned symbols here at the top for the year of 2013. On the left-hand column here, you'll see the month and year that's represented over here in this section. So as you can see, not every month is a winning month. We do have both winning and losing months with all of the different symbols that we track and trade, but overall each of these symbols has performed very well throughout the year. Here's a look at a performance summary page that's provided by TradeStation. When you upload our strategy in TradeStation to a particular chart, one of the great things that you're able to do is run historical performance reports to see how the strategy has performed over the prior 6 months on a particular symbol. In this case, I wanted to highlight a couple of areas here. And one of them, as you can see under all trades, the total net profit for that 6-month stretch was $16,170. We were able to achieve those profits by being right less than 50% of the time. As you can see, there were 119 trades. We were only right on 57 of those, yet we still managed to pull profits from the market. As you can see, our average winning trade is much greater than our average losing trade. This is what you call a successful formula, where your winners exceed your losers. You can be right on a smaller percentage of the time and still make money. Pretty cool. The things that are required to be able to trade our strategy is you will need to have a TradeStation account. You will need to have a minimum of $25,000 in an investment day trading account with TradeStation. And then you'll want to have a reliable computer and high-speed internet connection. Once you have those three things in place, you can subscribe to our strategy, and we'll give you everything that you need to get the strategy up and running in your platform and in your account. Getting set up is easy. What we do is we email the strategy to you. You'll create the workspace, open the chart with a particular symbol that you're looking to trade. You'll import our strategy onto your chart. You'll set the necessary strategy inputs, and you'll also set the properties for back testing the strategy, and then we'll set it up so that it automatically executes the trades for you. Once everything's set up, you can leave your computer running, and this will execute for you each day. We have 3 different types of subscriptions available. We have the 6-month, 12-month, and lifetime subscription. The significant difference is obviously the length of time that the subscription is offered for. The first package, you will get 6-month subscription, a free 30-day trial, unlimited usage, unlimited share sizing, and then all of the supporting documentation that's needed to get you up and running and get you comfortable using the strategy. The silver package is the same as the bronze, except it's a 12-month subscription instead of a 6. And the gold package is not a subscription. The gold package is you buying the strategy for life. It's a lifetime usage of the strategy with no expiration date. You will simply pay a fee one time, and you can trade that strategy in your own personal account for as long as you'd like. Signing up with us is easy. You can do that directly from our website at openingbelltrade.com, and you'll go to the contact/sign up section. In the box provided above subscribe, you'll input the customer ID number, your TradeStation customer ID number. You'll click on the appropriate button, whether it be the subscribe or buy now, and then you will not be charged anything until your free trial period has ended. Each one of our subscriptions comes with a free 30-day trial. So if you were to subscribe on November 15th, your charge would not come through until December 15th. If you have questions or if you'd like to contact us, here's how you get a hold of us at the phone number provided or email. And you can always visit our website at openingbelltrade.com and request additional information. Thanks so much for your time. I hope you have a great day.